Good morning, friends, fellow traders, my students, and all my subscribers. Thank you. I greet you all. Today is Wednesday, the 14th day of July 2021. I want to quickly bring you Forex analysis midweek review. This week needs a lot of caution so that you don't lose. Last week was so fantastic, but this week are not so good. On Monday, I made some money. On Tuesday, I lost almost all of them. It happens sometimes, but what matters is when you lose a trade, you know why you lose the trade. Okay, anyway, that's not what I'm doing now. Just want to give you a review of few pairs to look for. Okay, let me start. This is a Euro USD. I'm not so good on harmonics. I'm still learning harmonics. Notwithstanding, I can spot a crab pattern which will likely take the pair down to this level 1.1739 area before the buying will start. This very thing I think it also supports something like diagonal, but no time to check the diagonal now. So what are we going to do on this one? In my opinion, I will not sell this unless I see a move like this. That is to make it an A, B, C. Then I can sell towards this level. If it continues to move down from here, I may miss the trade. So you don't trade all. There are some you have to miss because the right time to yes. Sorry for the interruption. So the best place to enter this trade is the break of this level. So entering into here might be late. Just entering here might be late. It can do this, then do this. But if you try to do this, A, B, C, that is giving us another move up. Then entering here can be good. So when you miss a right entering place, you can forget about the trade and look for another opportunity. Same goes with DXY. DXY is doing the same crab pattern. Okay, so the best place the trade should be entered is the break of this level. But now, unless it give us an A, B, C. So if it give us an A, B, C, just like USD, entering from here is a good trade because if it goes A, B, C, stop loss will be here. So watch out for that. If you get it, you buy. If you don't get it, you leave it and focus on other pairs. Okay, what next do we have? Excuse me. USD CAD. USD CAD has been so difficult to trade these days, but nevertheless, if I get an A, B, C, we are getting the A, we are getting the B. If I got C, I will buy. So I'm not going to sell this. Maybe you can sell it on lower time frame if you know how to sell it. Maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes. If you can know how to sell it, then you can sell towards this place. Okay, I like to enter a trade in a best position to enter. Okay, this is USD JPY. I am strongly of the opinion that USD JPY have not finished dropping. So this sideway, the going of sideway is the further proof that it will drop. Even if it do this again, I was still looking for this drop. So, but what I'm trying to say is, don't enter sell on presumption. Let it break the channel, give us a correction like this, then selling will be meaningful. So be patient. If you are not patient, you will likely win. Tomorrow you lose. And you'll be frustrated. So be patient and confirm your trade before. I try to give you trade entries. So that's it's a big gift for you if you have the value. Here's DHF. Also, I'm looking for a drop. So I'm looking for a drop. I see this as WXY, which is a single phase correction. The second phase will give us that's the A, B, and C. So I'm looking for a drop also on USD. Okay. Oh, I made it. I made 2 pictures. Sorry. JPY. What's happening here? Okay, JPY. I'm looking for a drop, a further drop. What? I'm looking for a further drop before the buying. So let me go back to GBJPY. GBPJPY. Let me go back to it. So GBJPY, this is what I'm trying to show you. I would like to GBJPY, this is what I'm trying to show you. Sorry. So I'm expecting a drop. Then I will buy. So, but because of the drop will not be much, I can't advise you to say this drop unless you are a scalper. Scalpers know how they enter now and exit in next 10 minutes. So I'm not good at that. So that's what I have for GBJPY. Then what pair do I need to show you again? This analysis will not be much. USD I have shown you. USDPY I have shown you. This is very pair. I can't trade it now. I want to know what it's up to. So I would like to see something like this. I see this as A, this as B. So I'm looking for C. Now this is what you will do. If you are willing to take a risk, you can just buy now your stop loss at this low, so that if it continues to go down, you just lose very little money. But I would like to sell when I have A, B, C complete. Then I would like to sell it from here back to the blue box. But it might not work like that. So, but you know, when a trade is not so clear for you, you leave it for that time. That's my own idea. That's how I trade. AUD. AUD. I already bought this. My stop loss is here, because why did I buy it? I see this as a complete correction, A, B, C. So there's a possibility that it may go. It will drop. We have a channel. It can drop to this channel again. But what I will do, if it drop to this channel again, my stop will be, I will be stopped out, and I will enter, because this down move has been much. So we must got a sell sooner or later. So sometimes that's how we aggressive traders trade. So if you are an aggressive trader, what we will do is to, let me show you what we will do. What we do is to wait for the market to come above this channel, give us a correction, then you join the buyers. So this is the best thing to do. For this is the best thing to do. Buy like this. I'm already in the buy. I know my reason, and I know the risk is small. It may go, it may not go. Okay. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. New Zealand, this one also, I also see this as a complete correction, as A, B, C. So the market is going up, so I'm expecting the market to go up. So buying it and keeping stop loss here is a good idea, but not 100% sure it will go. But it's better to trade the market you will trade. The stop loss will be so close so that when you lose very little. Having seen this as an ABC, so buying it, I don't have much double mind buying it. So after this analysis, I will also buy it. So you can buy it as long as here remains. We hope to see it go further up. EUR/CHF, many of Europeans is buying. So many of Europeans is buying. This also is also by, let me check, let me see 1 hour of 4 hours of this. Okay, let me go back to 1 hour. Let me broaden it. So this is what we have on this EUR/CHF. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which means we are gonna get an A, B, C. So buying it makes sense. Stop loss will be here. So Europeans is good to buy now. So, but remember, we will get a pullback after this. So, and if it is deep, remember an ABC may form as an expanding flat, and in that case, it means that wave B will come down to this level. But my advice is that when the market comes to this level, you may close it up, move your stop to break even. Okay. EUR/CAD. EUR/CAD, in my opinion, I also see this as A, B, C, which means buying it, stop loss here. But the best thing is to wait for it to give us something like this, just as I always say, then before you buy. So that's my opinion. But if you want to take a little risk, you can buy now, put your stop loss below the current low, because this is a 3 waves move. Okay. EUR/GBP, this pair is a terrible pair. You can never, I wonder those who like it, how they trade it. It keeps dribbling you like your culture and Ronaldinho. Or Messi. So it keeps dribbling you. For instance, when this happened, I thought finally we are going for the buy. Yet it's come back and even go lower. So it's too frustrating anyway. Nevertheless, this type of trade can give you money. But if you can have the patience and bear the frustration. I actually entered the buy from here. So looking for this to happen. Rather, it's come back. My stop was here. I lost the trade. Okay, so anyway, that's part of trade. You can't win all. But anyway, let's leave it. So if you want to trade it, you can trade. It might do this and go back again. So I would advise you to leave your GBP unless if you have been trading it successfully with your own strategy. It keeps doing what I don't understand. USD CAD. USD CAD. Just like that was the pair I show you here. Where is it? This page here. Okay, just like pounds JPY, I want to see this, then I will trade this. I don't want to trade this. Okay, USD JPY. I've shown you that on a picture, on a chart I saved. USD CHF. I've shown you that also on a picture I saved, chart I saved. USD ZAR. I missed this trade and I'm not so happy I missed it. Reason because I've been monitoring the trade, so I wasn't watching it for some days. I thought it would do something like this, then it did not do something like this. It stopped here and keep going up. So there was a place, of course I traded from here to here, so I was thinking I will have a break of this level. Let me show you. I was thinking I will have a break of this level and drop, but it did not. But nevertheless, it gave us A, B, C. So if I was in the market, I would have traded this. But anyway, you cannot catch all. They cannot catch all. What matters is that those you trade, you make money from them. So what's the next on this? The next is, let it give us, after this move, let's have a correction. Let's assume this move have ended. Let's give us something like this, A, B, C. Then we can buy again. You know the buy have been lingering for long. Can I show you the daily chart? But time, I don't have time anymore. I'll conclude this video in the next 5 to 10 minutes, and I would like to touch even cryptos, because I can make two videos now. So now this is what I'm saying. I'm of the opinion that once we broke this level, we are going to this level. So the trade is not yet over. It is not, just 1 hour and 4 hours. It seems to be much out of trading, but you can see we still have much to trade. We are targeting 16.1. So keep watching the 4 hours and the 1 hour. When you see correction like this, just you can remind me by sending me WhatsApp message Telegram message. Please check USD ZAR, because I want to trade this, but I'm one person doing all this, so I cannot see all of them all the time. Okay, I think I will stop here. I will stop here for so that I can touch other. I will stop here on currency page. Please pardon me. Let me touch. Somebody was asking me about Dow Jones, US 30 and so on. Let me touch US 30 and also touch Dow Jones. All this space is going up, up, up. So whenever you see a correction like this, I showed this on my last analysis. So whenever you see 3 waves pullback, then buying continues. It's going up, up, up. So there's nothing much to be. There's no much difficulty to trade them. But you know, there's one thing you should know on this type of trade. Whenever the market is going up in a gradual mannerism, so expect that once it break a trend, it might be sharp. So that's something risky about this type of trade. So whenever you trade, you are trading this, make sure you always move your stop loss to break even to avoid a big loss. So Nikkei is also going down, going up. Last time I touched it, I thought it would come to this very lower channel. It did not. It made 2 attempts and still going up. So, of course, I don't trade them so often. I trade them once in a while. So let me touch the Dow and go to crypto. Dow, you see, when Dow was doing this, of course, I didn't. Okay. There was an error here by me because this is a 3 waves, A, B, C. So I don't know what made me to. Okay, I thought we will. Okay, let me explain. Let me explain. Let me burden the chart. I thought this is what I meant when I did this. See, because of the pay have been going up, so I was thinking that we're gonna have a big drop. That is, this can be WXY, which is AB, then C. But it didn't happen like that. So now, what's the next thing to do? when you see something like this, then you buy again. But the reason I'm not buying it is that I would like to buy it in a good position. For instance, if this channel is broken like this, then I see 3 waves, a good 3 waves, then I'll be happy to buy, because you can just buy here, then you see something like this begin to happen. So now it will be a bad trade. You can make a good trade and you still lose it, but it pains when you make a bad trade. There is a difference between losing a good planned trade than trading badly. So I always avoid trading badly, and that's why I always give you a level of confirmation, what you will see before you buy or you sell. Okay, which one again? S&P 500. This is the pay I always like to trade, but this time around I have to do it. I don't like the way it is moving. I like to see a market that gives me something like this. You see this type of thing. This is what I like to see. Before something like this, it's what I like to see. Then I'll have confidence to trade. So the way it's going like this, going one way, if I see a break, then I'll like to buy. But now, or if I see a break of this, a correction, then I would like to sell. So that's why I don't normally check them, because the way they are moving, they are better place to trade, and there are those who are experts in trading this type of sequence or price action movement. So I cannot be good in everything. So mind that. So I get that, and I will not say that I know what I don't know. Just like I keep saying, I'm not a scalper. I don't know how to scalp. I don't even have the time. So if I give you a trade setup, if it fits in scalping, if you're a scalper, then you scalp. It's good to scalpers make money anyway. I know, but I don't know how to scalp. So Bitcoin. Oh my God! Remember Bitcoin? I told you this will likely be broken, but it's going to go deeper. See. Just see the channel I made. I said if it is broken, it's going to go deeper because the sellers are not much. If you can accept what I'm saying all the while on coin, it will be of your profit. But if you doubt me and sell off your coins, you must, not you will, you must regret it. See, Bitcoin, we are maybe this time around we may get this and keep going up. So see, we are in a bear market. Bear market doesn't move like bull markets. So whenever we are in a bear market, you must be patient. Bear market calls for patience. So know that we are in a bear market. So, but I thank God. I told you if this is broken, it's going to go deeper. It didn't even come to the level where I said it will. It was even lower than that. Okay, so let's touch another crypto before I round off because of time. BTC USD. Sorry, Ethereum BTC. Okay. Oh, all this I did didn't work out. Oh, that's all those things. You can forecast the market, it won't happen. So that's why that's what I mean, that nobody wins all. You can be good, but you cannot be so good that you win all. Okay, I might be good, but I'm not that good that I win all, and I don't claim to win all. You can see the fifth wave is still going. So what do we expect? Remember, in this pair, this blue box is our target. It came from the blue box. It's giving us an A. This is A. This is B. So get prepared for the buying. But one thing I don't know is how it will, when it will start. But let me check something. you see we have a channel here. Let me show you another thing that might be that the okay, we even have another channel inside this channel. This also is a oh my god, crazy here. This also is the channel. And I know, let me change the color. So in my opinion, so now whichever way this white channel is about, it will be broken. So now this is what we are looking at, what will likely happen. This channel that started to break might not break. It must come back to this place before it will break. It must break, do this, 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 do this. Or it might break this and do this. So if you are buying Ethereum against BTC, this is what we will likely get. Okay, I haven't touched Ethereum and BTC. Let me go to Ethereum USD. Ethereum USD just like BTC. But Ethereum went deeper than I expected it to go. So it went deeper than I thought it will. Nevertheless, we have seen signs of reversal. So will it go deeper? Sure, it can. It can still go deeper. It can still go deeper. Because let me show you something. This is a channel until it's broken. You know, I can't give you false hope. I can only tell you what we expect to see. So this is what will likely happen. Let me go to 1 hour. So this is the channel until it is broken. In spite of the fact that this is a sign of strong move, but yet it can do this, and do this again, or it can just just do this, and do this. So whichever way, you can only gain if you have patience. So what I'm saying is that you're going to get frustrated if it begins to happen like that. You may thinking this will happen next tomorrow, then it will take you another 1 month before it happens. So as long as the money you have in crypto is not money you can use to save life, leave it, you will see again. But if it's called to save life and there's no other money, then you can sell at loss. You know that it's not your fault. It's a circumstance that you cannot control. Okay, can we do another one? Think there's no need doing much of them. BNB is still going from 313 to 304. As now you can see sign of going up. So it will be doing like this. Coin will be doing this. But you may wake up one day, you see the coin moving very, very fast. Then you know that the bull market is back. So I don't know much to say. You can see DOGE further dropped, but you can see sign of bullish move. This is a channel, a broken channel. And what channel is broken is a sign of a better move. Maybe this time around we might come to this place. Maybe something like this and this. Or we may come to this place again and reverse to this place. It's possible. But whichever way, I've said all I can tell you about cryptos. Is it for you to follow my advice or not? Okay, so no need showing you all of them. You see ADA, Stellar Lumen, it dropped. In fact, I will buy this coin more. I will just buy ADA more. I will just buy it more. Because I know very soon it will go back to 2 point something it was before the market began to drop. So it's one of the coin I like. You can see the price 2 point something before the market began to drop. Okay, so anything again, I think I've tried. I don't even have time again. Let me see our SHIBA. SHIBA. Okay, SHIBA also dropped and is now showing signs of buying, because channel have been broken. When channel breaks, our hope is high, but if it's going to go down again, we know that our patience, we still have to have more patience. So let's think this will happen, and we have to solve. So bye bye for now. No time again. Let me go where I'm supposed to go by now. Thank you for watching. God bless you.